In front of me is Honor 200, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by launching Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine. Keep screen on. When it's ready, launch it. Then select OK in the pop-up. Tap on Timeout and make sure that Infinite is on. And when you're ready, go into Tab menu. Now select Edit button at the top right corner. Hit Edit Shortcut switch. And add your new shortcut, this one, to your current ones by holding it and dragging it to the top. Place it wherever you want to. Hit Done. And finally, click on your new shortcut. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!